Get in there, lady. Get in there. Woo! You had a hard time getting in too.
I had to jump.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Moo-moo inside. She has no problem. She just hops right on in. Oh, so you're just gonna take my chair?
It's killing me. Well, one of my stops is.
Okay. So I just got this new motion security LED light, which was $80. I had got those smaller ones, but they just don't work as well. And this one hopefully will work better because it has a bigger solar panel. Are you comfortable, Moo-moo? Is he your leaning post?
Leaning on the
I am today.
You got plenty of what?
Nuts for the bird.
Lord have mercy. Don't run me over.
Pardon me, lady, but do you need a lift?
Yes, thank you.
He would keep Moo-moo.
Oh, see?
She was whining while you were gone.
Who's the Moo-moo? She was whining?
Yeah.
Aw.
She was like sitting out the window going,
Aw.
See, I told you mommy was coming.
Go
back.
out. Get out my chair. Get out my chair.
Did you get what you needed, girl?
I did, thank you. Isn't Moo-moo the cutest? Well, anyways, I did get this booster kit. It is for my cell phone, so it extends my signal. I'm gonna unbox it and do a review when we get back to base camp. Right, Moo-moo? Yes. So we came to the 99-cent store to grab some stuff. Actually, here at the 99-cent store, it's misleading because you think it's 99 cents, but everything ends in 99 cents. So it could be like $5.99, $4.99, whatever. So I did buy some grapes to snack on, healthy snack. It was 99 cents a pound. So, and I also got some of these treats. They're vegan. Yummy.
my bottom half.
What you doing, Moo-moo? Hello. So, not too healthy, but I got a pizza for lunch, and I'm gonna share it with everybody. How's your piece there?
It's very good.
Very good.
Look at that. Doesn't that look good for $5? Awesome. Hi, Moo-moo. Outside, good girl.
See y'all later.
Bye.
Bye.
So my new motion security LED lights. I have to find a spot for it. What it's really doing is replacing these, because these Everbrights, after like a couple months, they just suck. They don't work as good anymore. Very dim lit, if they even come on at all. So I just think those aren't a good thing, which they were only like $13, so you pay for what you get. And these were $80, so definitely should be a lot better. Plus the solar panel on it is huge compared. It's like a tablet. See? It's like a tablet. It actually looks as big as a tablet, which should collect a lot more sun. So there's the lights right there. And this is what the solar panel plugs into. I think that should work. I wasn't sure if I wanted to put it here or here. This would give me security on the back for all my stuff right here. So, or security right here on the side. Kind of like it on the back better. Yeah, I think I'd like it better here. So it just has this tab right here that slides out. I mount that, and then this just slides on. So it should be an easy install. This is where I'm going to stick the solar panel for the security light because it matches these panels, and it does do the same thing. Folds down or folds up. So I went ahead and installed an anchor. That hole was existing already, so I just made it a little bigger so the anchor could fit. Alright, I've got all the anchors in. Alright, all the screws are in, and it is nice and secure. It's not going anywhere. I'm yanking at it. Good job. This folds all the way down for when traveling. Well, my mount is installed for the light. Looks good. So it should just slide on. Let's see how hard it is to get on and click. Oh yeah. That looks good. Awesome. See, it's on there good. Yep. Oh, okay. Yep. There it goes. Good job. Point this up. I can these turn also. So if I want them all facing this way, I can face them that way. Or if I want one facing that way and one facing that way, I can do that too. I think that's how I'll do it. Let's turn it on and see if it works. Yes. Awesome. Yep, solar panel and motion sensor security light done. Awesome. Okay, here it is, the Drive Sleek Vehicle Signal Booster Kit. So it's supposed to be up to 32 times better than just regular cell phone coverage. All right, let's check it out. So it comes with an owner manual, and here's what's in the box. Here's the antenna down here, and this is the mount. I think you can turn it sideways if you want to put a tablet in there too. We'll see. This is level 1. So here's level 2. It has the wiring and also the antenna in there, and here's the DC plug. I'm gonna smack you. What do you want?
And what are we showcasing today?
Oh, the WeBoost antenna.
Does it work?
I'm just unboxing it right now.
The unveiling.
It's the unveiling. Oh, magnetic vent. I wonder if it works. Oh, it works.
Woo.
I mean, oh God, it's on there good too. Thank you. So it does have a magnetic holder. Pretty cool. That's really strong. Thank you, Moo-moo. Hold that for me. So here's the antenna and the cable. I guess you can run it pretty far. This is the outer antenna. And it's the DC plug. Super cool. So it has the numbers on here. This is step 3. This one is step 4. I need to step my butt to the instructions and read these real quick. Alright, Drive Sleek Vehicle Signal Booster Kit. Blah 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 blah. Okay, I just read the instructions and found out this is actually the antenna right here. I thought the other thing was, but nope, this is. And this is steps 1 and 2 added together. And it's with step 5, so I guess I gotta come back to this, which is weird. But anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do step 1 and 2, which is to find a place for this, and then run the cable, which is step 2. Find the place for this is step 1, run the cable is step 2. Well, I've got steps 1 and 2 done. I was surprised to find some metal on the roof. I was like, crap, I don't think it's like all aluminum, so magnets won't stick to that. And then also the rest of the stuff is plastic. But there was a cylinder top that is for the vents, and it was metal, so I stuck it on there and it stuck really good. So that's awesome. I'll show you in a minute. But I'm gonna go ahead and get to step 3, which this is what the antenna plugs into. I'm not sure what this is. It says Drive Sleek. So I don't know if this is some kind of drive for it, but the antenna plugs in here, and yep, then this goes into that thing. So I have to run this real quick. So I'll get back to you in just a second. So Scott and Terry showed up. Hey y'all!
What?
Mousetail and him and his he thinks he's finding petrified Indian stuff.
That's an
maybe.
Indian. It's a broken one.
I don't have my glasses
But just
on to be
feel
able
it's
to
rounded.
see
See? That used to be an
yeah,
Indian
yeah.
Yeah,
bowling ball.
okay, yeah.
Okay,
Indian bowling ball, yeah,
agree with that.
yeah, okay, all
You're on
right.
a reservation.
Hello, how are you?
Good, how you doing?
Good, I missed you.
I know, missed
Look
y'all
at
too.
Scotty's got Moo-moo.
I know.
Hi, baby girl.
She's like, hug me, auntie, hug me, hug me.
Hello, I missed you.
I know it's getting dark, so this is where I ended up putting the antenna, and it's stuck on there really hard. I'm gonna tape the wire down and then come through this vent right here and then plug it in and go ahead and get everything situated. It's not gonna take much longer, and then I'll get back with y'all. So I still have to run that wire along here, and there's the box. I have it down, but I have the Velcro strip right there, but it's gonna go up like that. I just have it down because I still have to put the plug in right here, which this is the DC plug, and it plugs in right there, like that. So, yep. So this is step 4. I ran this cable. Now to plug it in. So here's step 5, which is the cradle, and the light is on, so it should be working properly. So as you can see, I have full bars of 4G light. It's not even hooked up yet, so I'm not gonna hook it up right now because it's kind of pointless since I'm already getting full bars. And I guess I'll do a check later. Well, I've unboxed it and installed it. It's ready to go. Everything seems to be working properly. All the lights are working and everything. I don't know if it's gonna be doing what it's supposed to be doing, but I'll give a review on it later. I do know that this one did get good reviews online, so I'm excited for when I go to the RTR, because last year at the RTR I wasn't getting good signal. I actually had to borrow internet when I was there because I couldn't upload. So hopefully I won't have that problem with this. And this was $199 at Best Buy. Well, everybody, thank you for watching this video. I hope everyone stays safe out there, and we will see you next time. Until then, bye for now, and I love y'all. Mwah.